Good morning! We're in Boracay and we're staying at Aissatou in Bolabog Beach. We'll do a little room tour! How nice, no? They have this artwork. May isa pa yan. Dito sa parang pinaka-headboard ng aming bed. Oh, di ba? So, that's a queen-size bed. And they have four pillows, very comfortable four pillows, and an split type so hindi maingay yung aircon. Tapos may fan, and there's so many saksakan, very generous, 'di ba? You see this lamp? May dalawang saksakan diyan. 'Di ba? You see this kettle? Siyempre, may saksakan din dyan. Tapos, may saksakan... wala yun. I don't know what this is. What do you call this? Pero may saksakan dyan sa baba. Kita ba? There. Tapos, by the window, may 1, 2, 3 na saksakan. Iba-ibang klase lang. And you see this TV. And the small refrigerator, may saksakan din dyan. Tapos, this is a room tour of saksakan ng plugs. Tapos, you see this study lamp, super powerful study lamp. May saksakan din dyan. And let me show you our toilet and bath. How nice is that, diba? Lakad tayo palayo. Oh, diba? Ganyan. And TTT, say hello. Yeah, the birthday boy. That's why we're here. It's his
already 2 days so.
Yeah, it's his birthday weekend. Although today is already Tuesday. We stayed here for several months. Okay, now the CR, the toilet and bath. Ayan. It doesn't look like they have warm water. The heater is, I think, is centralized. So, there's warm water, guys. There's warm water, guys. Wala lang physical heater na portable. There is warm water at Aissatou. Yun. Tapos, yan. May ganire. Diba? Yun lang. I don't see exhaust system. So, but they have these big windows. You know, when we do the thing and you have companies, hindi lang ikaw mag-isa, diba? It's so a little bit jahe if they come here and there's a remnant of a smell of the thing that you did last summer. And the owner kasi is German. So this portion here is medyo mataas na mirror. I don't know why there's another mirror for the tall guy. But there's this big, ayan, ang laki-laki ng mirror. Diba? Oh, ayan. And, we're Filipinos, so hindi naubos, hindi nagamit. And meron silang binigay na soap. And then the hand wash. Diba? Why is the hand wash near the... Alam na this if you're Asian. And Dermaid hand sanitizer. Hindi ko siya nagamit. Kasi may bawang kaming alcohol. So it's spacious. And like I said, room number 3. And it's facing the big couch out there. Facing the coffee shop. What do you call them? Lanai Garden. So, pa-end na to, guys. Don't worry. It's not going to be my typical mahaba. Although it's already 4 minutes pala. My gosh. I just said it's going to be a quick room tour. So, if you want that kind of, you take Aissatou, room number 3. I think this goes to the other rooms. Yun, so labas tayo. It's so convenient. Diba? Merong lounge dyan. But I think that belongs to that unit. And technically, this should belong to us. But there's a resident, there are two resident dogs that lounge there. Yeah. So, this is the side. This is our wing of the Aissatou. This is their, I think this is I don't know, office siguro for the kiteboarding, or maybe not. I think they became an isolation room during the height of pandemic. Yan, ganyan. So, yan ang itsura. This road here, kung saan galing si motorcycle, pag nilakad nyo yan, papunta doon ng malayo pa ng konti, it reaches the Ati community. Ati community, and then I forgot kung sino mauna, kung yung Ati community or the Bakawan, or Bakawan muna din Ati. I forgot. Yun. So there's a big kalachuchi in the middle of this brick road. Bago lang daw ito, kasama siya sa rehabilitation. And ayan, we're going to the other wing of our accommodations. I was told there are 12 units all in all. And you want to learn how to kite? You can stay here and learn how to kite. How much are the kite? I did not ask them, but there was one school over there, papunta sa D-Mall. Hindi pa yan D-Mall kakaliwa ka, papunta D-Mall pagdating dun sa medyo dulo. Beginners, 4 hours or 3 hours of instruction is 7,000 pesos. Group pa yata yun. And of course, the Philippine flag. Diba? So, yan. That's our quick room tour. Thank you for joining me. I have other vlogs that we shot here in Boracay and where we're staying, the Bolabog beach area. Please watch them. They're all in the links. I have a playlist. The way they're published is not chronological order, because some of the videos I upload without editing and to save space, and if I'm able to vlog tuloy-tuloy, I upload it na so I can delete and save space. So yun, and your etrike might be dropping you off here because there is this street, okay, that there's dito Windryders din Aissatou. Dito kami pumasok. Kaso lang, maputik pa yung area na yan kasi may sinisemento. So, ang ginawa namin, and our trike did not know. So, bumaba lang kami banda doon. Then, naglakad na lang. Okay lang. We don't mind walking. Hiyang-hiya yung taxi driver. Sabi niya, dadaan siya sa kabila. Sabi ko, no. We're here to explore what we can explore by foot. So, again, that's where we stayed. Thank you for joining me. I thought this was just going to last 3 minutes, but we're now running 8. Such a long room tour. Mama, please subscribe. I need subscribers. Please leave a comment. It can be just an emoticon. And I have a link below if you want to support my vlog, if you have that inclination. Diba? Bye-bye!